Welcome back, friend. Today we'll start the IP addressing with its two different category. One is class full and another one is class less. So in that we'll go through class full IP addresses. If IPv4 was designed with a fixed length prefix, but to accommodate both small and large network, three fixed length prefixes were designed instead of one. Here the value of prefixes number in this category first, the first 8 bit, then 16 bit, then 24 bit. So the value of n is 8, 16 and 24 respectively. The whole address space divided into 5 classes. So here these are the 5 classes: class A, class B, class C, class D and class E. So here, so we know very well the IPv4 address are total 32 bit address. Okay, 32 bit address. Here in a class A, the first 8 bit are reserved for net ID, and the remaining rest of the 24 bits for host ID. I would like to clear, in my previous video when I was demonstrating the bit and the net ID and for host ID for separation, at that time by mistake I was written here host ID and net ID here, but actually in this 32 bit separation, the first 8 bit for net ID and the rest of the 24 bits, here 24 bit for host ID and here 8 bit for net ID. Okay, please make it clear. Okay, so in that 8 bit, the first bit which is fixed means that is where we write prefix. Okay, so here the first bit is prefix as 0, then after that 0 we have only 7 bit for make the network IDs in a class A, and here we are having the total host IDs are 24, that means 2 raised to 24, and here that means 2 raised to 7. Okay, so in that the 2 raised to 24, here suppose we have the address like 160 100 and suppose only 16. If I have address 16.0.0.0. okay, so here from the first octet of IP address we get clear which class of this IP address. Why? Because of here we already know the range of class A is what? 0 to 127. 0 to 127. So the first octet, if in a first octet the number is belongs to 0 to 127, it means what? This IP address is belongs to from class A IP address. Okay, here one more thing, class A IP address is providing 2 raised to 7 net IDs and 2 raised to 24 host ID. Okay, we will see the detail in after some time. Okay, so next class B having the range 128 to 192, then class C having the range 192 to 223, then class D having raised 224 to 239, then last class E 240 to 255. So here in a class B, the first 16 bit for what? For net ID, and rest of the 16 bit for host ID. Okay, then in a class C it again increase with 8 bit, means in a class C 24 bit for net ID and 8 bit for host ID. Okay, so just like in a class A, the first bit is reserved as 0. In a class B, first 2 bit are reserved, that is 10, and here in a class C, 3 bits are reserved like a 110. Okay, so after that these 3 bit, the rest of bit we are having 8 minus 3, which means 5, 2 raised to 5 here 2 raised to 6. Okay, 2 raised to 7, 2 raised to 6 bit for net ID, and in a class C 2 raised to 5 bit for net ID. The rest of the bits for the sorry, not exactly. Yes, here total bits are 16, so 16 minus 2, it means 2 raised to 14. Okay, 2 raised to 14, and here total net ID means 24 minus 3, that means 24 minus 3 means 2 raised to 21. Sorry, make it clear. Okay, 2 raised to 21 for net ID and the rest of the 8 bit for host ID, and here the total are 16, so 16 minus 2 means 14, 2 raised to 14 for net ID and the 16 bit for host ID. Okay, let's go with class A. Suppose here these 32 bits are separated in a 4 octet. These are the 4 bit, we call it octet. Okay, so these 4 octets are represent IP addresses. Sometime we called it dotted decimal point also. Means IP address can be written in the form of dotted decimal, like 10.0.0.0. Okay, this is also a IP address. Means the range of class A we already know, that is what? 0 to 127. So between 0 to 127 we can make any one. Okay, but keep remember here this IP address, which one? This 10 means 10.0.0.0. This is the first IP address, and the last is possible. Last IP address is what? Suppose here 10. Assume it. These all are 111. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. Okay, this is the highest and the last IP address from class A category. So here this is reserved for the network provider, and this one is for the mask address. So this and this, these two address are not given to any host. Okay, so please keep it note. Here we are having the total IP address we are having here, that is what? 2 raised to 24. Here again 2 minus from them, then it becomes 2 raised to 22. Means here in a class A IP address we are having only 2 raised to 22 for what? For host IDs. Okay, and net ID we are already know. In a net ID we are having 2 raised to 7, which is equals to 120. 128. 2 raised to 7, which is equals to what? 128. Means 128 net ID we are having with the class A, and the maximum host ID we are having with this address, that is 2 raised to 24, but 0 and means starting and ending, the both two addresses are reserved. So that's why actual working IP addresses we are having only what, 2 raised to 22 in what, in a class A IP address. Okay, so once again I am repeating this part. Why? Because of some confusion is there. Please make it clear. In a class A IP address, the first 8 bit for net ID and the rest of the 24 bit for host ID. In the first 8 bit, the first bit 0 is reserved, which is indicating the category, the class of IP address. Means here, whenever the first bit of the IP address is 0, it means that IP address belongs to class A IP address. Okay. Next, in a class B, whenever the first two bits are 1 and 0, it means it's clearly indicate this IP address belongs to class B category or class B. Okay, so similar here we are having the 16 bit, total 16 bit for net ID and 16 bit for host ID, but from this 16 bit 2 bit are reserved for the class category. So after that minus 2 bit we are having only 2 raised to 14 bit in a net ID and 2 raised to 16 bit for host ID. Okay, and here the first 24 bit for net ID and the 8 bit for host ID, but from this 24 bit first 3 bits are reserved. It means it's clearly indicate this address is belongs from class C category. Okay, so from 2 raised to 24 minus 3, it means what, 2 raised to 21 for what, 2 raised to 21 for net ID, and here 2 raised to 8 are host IDs. Okay, that's it. Thank you for watching my video. Please like, share and subscribe my YouTube channel Dharaz Infotech, and please don't forget press the notification bell icon for getting the notification of upcoming videos. Thank you. Bye bye.